This video is made possible by our loyal Patreon supporters. Visit patreon.com/Psychetruth.
Hello, my friends. Today we're going to be doing a short, easy video for stretches right before bedtime. If you've had a long day, if you're feeling stressed or anxious, if you're prone to anxiety like me, or if you just need a release, I'd encourage you to follow this video and practice with me today. So let's get started. So we're going to start in a nice, comfortable seated position, thinking free and up, allowing your neck to release, allowing your rib cage to relax and breathe. Thinking up, thinking free. Go ahead and take a couple more deep breaths here. Really allowing your lungs to expand and contract. And one more time. We're going to go ahead and bring our left ear to our left shoulder. So go ahead and just let it drop. Letting the eyes fall closed if they want to. And then go ahead and bring your arm up on top of your head, letting the weight add just a little bit more stretch. Gently letting your neck sink. Go ahead and bring your neck down to the center, feeling a nice stretch down the back of your neck. And lacing your fingers together at the base of your neck, go ahead and add just a little bit of weight, nothing too intense. Just allowing your neck to stretch a little bit farther. Over to the right side, where again, just letting your neck fall and relax. Breathing in calm and breathing out all the worries of today. Letting your hand come up and rest gently on your head to create a little bit of extra weight, a little bit of extra pull. And now coming up one more time very gently, we're going to lift the chin and stretch the throat, not too far, but just a little bit. Looking up towards the sky, up to the heavens, filling your lungs with air and energy and peace. Breathing out everything that might keep you from sleeping tonight. And as your neck comes back into a nice neutral position, just remember to continue thinking long and free in the neck. Go ahead and bring your left arm across your body, grab it with your right, and add a little bit of a pull to that stretch. You should feel a nice release in your shoulder. Don't feel like you have to add any tension with the arm that's being held. Just relax it and pull with your right. Breathe here. Maybe stretching and flexing your fingers a little bit. Breathing to come back to center and switching to the other side. Again, using your left arm to pull that shoulder, to reset, flexing your fingers. Coming back to center, go ahead and interlace your fingers behind your neck again, and this time we're going to look up one more time. Not too far, but getting a really nice stretch in the arms, in the collarbone, in the chest. Lifting your heart, opening the heart, the chest, the rib cage. Breathing here one more time in and out. Pushing the arms out to the sides. Flex those fingers. Give the wrists a little bit of a workout. You might hear some popping. That's okay. It's just your body releasing all the built-up tension. Go ahead and retract and then push out for an even deeper stretch in your forearms and wrists. You can wave them if you want a little bit more. Coming back to center, go ahead and cross your left leg over your right. So your left leg is planted on the ground. And then we're going to take a nice, easy, relaxing twist over your left shoulder. And to brace yourself, you can use your elbow on your knee. You might find it's more difficult to breathe into one lung. Try to breathe into both as much as you can. And go ahead and come back to center. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. So go ahead and cross your right leg over your left, taking a nice easy twist over your right shoulder. And again, if you want to, you can brace your elbow on your knee. We all know that stretching is really good for relieving tension, but it also releases endorphins that can improve your mood and make it easier to go to sleep, that relieve pain, helps clear your mind. That's why we recommend just doing a little bit of movement before bed to sort of reset after a long day. With your leg here, go ahead and cross your right leg over your left so that your knees are stacked on top of each other. We're going to take a really gentle bend forward. Here we go. Really feeling a nice stretch in your hips, in your thighs. You might feel something in your hip flexor. That's a good sign. It means it needs it. Inhale to come up. And go ahead and switch legs so that your left is stacked on top of your right. Inhaling and then exhale forward. Feeling that nice pull. You want to try and create a length in your spine right here, so your body is being pulled in two opposite directions. Your shoulders and back are pulling forward, and your sit bones and your back, the small of your back, are being pulled in another direction. So you're really getting the full benefit of that length. And inhale to come up. So from here, we're going to go ahead and swing both our legs over in either direction, doesn't matter. We're just going to come to a nice, easy seated position. From here, just take a second and wait. Think about the connection that the sit bones in your thigh have to the floor. Think about freeing your neck. So there's no tension there. Thinking freedom and lift. Think about allowing your head to be forward and up. Now gently, maintaining those feelings, tuck your chin just a little to protect your neck. And we're going to go gently back into a lying down position. Using your forearms to guide you down. You can keep your arms at your sides or extend them out, whichever is more comfortable for you. And you can either keep your knees where they are, or you can extend your legs, whichever is more comfortable for you. While you're here, continue to think about freeing your neck and elongating the spine. Check to see whether there's any tension, any holding, anything that you might be carrying with you into bedtime. Once you've found that comfortable position, go ahead and take a couple deep breaths. Allow yourself to be heavy. Allow your body to be free of tension, free of motion, free of worry. Check your face to see if you're holding anything there. Is your brow furrowed? Is your jaw clenched? Thank those muscles for everything that they do for you, for allowing you to speak and express yourself, and then give them the day off. Check your back to see if there's any tension being held there. Are your shoulders still carrying a weight they don't need to? Are your arms still tired? Just let them fall. Let your legs be heavy and still, because they've been carrying you around all day. And they can take a break for right now. Thank your lungs for continuing to breathe, for continuing to give you life, even when you forget about them, as we so often do. And take one more big inhale and let it all out. And one more time, think neck free. Head forward and up. If you want to fall asleep here, that's okay. Or whenever you're ready, go ahead and begin with your eyes. Look to the side. Let your head follow whenever it's ready. Wait a moment, just there. And then go ahead and bring your hand across your body to support you. Use that hand to come up whenever you're ready. And come into an easy, seated position so you can start getting ready for bed. Thank you so much for spending your evening hours with me. I hope this has relaxed you and calmed any anxiety that you might have. Please join me here again if you ever need a break. Thank you. Sleep well.